Introduce features interest of KppeX robot vacuum with quiet multiple cleaning modes, self-charging and boundary strips. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose KppeX robot vacuum? Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Want to free your hands from heavy housework? Why not try a robot vacuum which combines sweeping and vacuuming? Robot vacuum comes standard with a 500 ml dustbin. Ideal for hardwood, tile, and stone floors, so you can enjoy more family time. 3 levels of intensity, adjustable as needed, adjustable for different floor types. With 2600 mAh battery capacity, a robotic vacuum can continuously work 120 minutes, ideal for large houses and multiple rooms. The robot vacuum cleaner will automatically back to the charging base and recharge when in low battery or finished cleaning. The robot vacuum cleaner has advanced infrared sensor technology. A full set of sensors lets the robotic vacuum avoid accidental falls and reduces bumping while cleaning. With a 2.81-inch super slim body, the robot vacuum cleaner reaches every corner and narrow area with ease and keeps your floor clean and fresh. 5 high-efficiency cleaning modes: auto/spot/edge/max/small space cleaning, meet daily cleaning needs and increase cleaning efficiency by 30%. Set schedule cleaning time via remote control in advance, makes clean effortlessly while you working, sleeping, or not at home. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.